Stop hitting over. I'm just gonna look at you.
He's a Jew hunter. We hunt down them Jews. Jew hunter. Jew hunter. Porn.
Stop. I had to bring my battery charger.
Cause you're a Jew hunter.
It's not gonna last, so I bring my battery charger. Stop! You're so loud.
What's happening to you?
I don't know. Brain meltdown. Brain malfunction. My
Yeah, I
brain.
noticed that already.
Do you like pina coladas? Do you really like them?
Stop.
Okay. Stop. You're so annoying.
Me? Okay.